Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Imovie and loading the clips you'll use. Make sure the main clip and your blurred background clip are both in the library. Drag the main shot into the timeline and place a duplicate or B-roll directly above it as an overlay. You're establishing layers. Once done, set the primary clip as the base and trim both clips roughly the same length, because matching durations prevent sync issues when you apply the blur and crop adjustments. Next, select the top clip and choose Overlay Options. Switch it to fill the frame so it becomes the blurred background. Apply iMovie's built-in blur or use the soft focus adjustment and increase intensity until the subject separation looks natural. Then scale and crop the blurred layer to eliminate edges. You want seamless coverage behind your subject. Make sure the blurred layer sits under any mask or cutout you'll add, because precise layering controls the illusion of depth. Finally, mask or cut out the subject from the sharp top clip so the blurred layer shows as background. You can use a picture-in-picture crop or third-party mask plugin for cleaner edges. Then adjust color, exposure, and feathering so the subject blends naturally against the blur. Slight feathering removes hard edges. Export a short test clip and review at full resolution. If the blur looks odd, make small position or scale tweaks and re-export until the separation appears convincing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.